This 3-bedroom, 2-full-bath home offers a very nice open floor plan. The home sets on a gently rolling 0.49-acre lot that offers plenty of room for a garden, pets and safe play. Nicely landscaped. A freshly graveled driveway leads to 2 outbuildings and a detached 24.6 by 25.3 garage. The carport is 24 by 24 and would make a great location for entertaining family and friends. Outbuilding 12 by 17.3. Center block building 12 by 10.3. There's a wood-burning stacked stone fireplace with insert centered in the living room for those soon-to-be chilly nights. Dining room. Kitchen. Plenty of storage and counter space. Utility room. Master bedroom. Master bathroom.